Heading now to the judiciary, where the Federal High Court in Abuja will today hear arguments on the defamation suit filed by the President of the Senate, Godswill Akpabio, against suspended Kogi Central Senator Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan. Akpoti-Uduaghan is facing a 6-count charge bordering on cybercrime and alleged inciting comments against the President of the Senate and former Kogi State Governor Yahaya Bello. At the last sitting, Justice Muhammad Umar granted her bail on self-recognizance after she pleaded not guilty to all 6 charges. We're now joined by our judicial correspondent, Joshua Marai, who is live at the Federal High Court as we speak. Joshua Marai, what is the latest on the case right there where you are?
To you, blessings. Upon commencement of proceedings at the Federal High Court today before Honorable Justice Muhammad Umar, the prosecution represented by D.E. Kaswe told the court that he was ready to open the case of the prosecution with witnesses who are billed to testify before the court on the alleged defamation case and cybercrime case against the suspended Kogi senator. But however, the counsel representing the defendant, that is the person of West Idausa, raised 2 objections, 2 preliminary objections, and these were his reasons. He said that this case, as regards the prosecution, that the prosecution lacks jurisdiction to bring the case forward, and citing that this is an abuse of prosecutorial process. And he also said that there were inconsistencies in the testimonies of the witnesses, saying that it was just a summary of the witnesses. Well, he told the court that he has filed several processes and has submitted the same process to the Attorney General of the Federation. But unfortunately for the prosecution, they denied ever seeing the processes, saying that it was held up by some series of bottlenecks in the office of the Attorney General of the Federation. However, the court, and here is the verdict of the court. The court says that come 20th of October 2025, the court will hear arguments on the preliminary objections raised by the defendant, that's the President of West Idausa, on this case before going forward to the meat of the case. Blessings.
All right, thank you, Joshua Marai, for the update on that, and we'll see how everything turns out once it's over.